Here is a one marker question asked in CBSE 2026 on the topic interest on drawings based on the unit partnership accounts. So first of all, we'll discuss the formula for interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is equal to annual drawings made by the partners multiply by interest rate on drawings multiply by average period divided by 12. So in this case, we are supposed to find the interest on drawings of Nandita. Nandita withdrew 80,000 in cash and 20,000 as furniture. So her total drawings become 1 lakh. Cash as well as furniture. 80,000 plus 20,000 is 1 lakh. And rate of interest is given as 6%. So 6 divided by 100. In this case, nothing is mentioned about average period. So we'll take it to be 6 by 12. If the question is silent on the average period of drawings, interest is calculated on average period of 6 months. So on solving, we get 3000. Option D is the correct answer.